Migration to cloud might be a long, difficult and complex process that requires long assessments and business cases analysis. Selecting the right application to migrate to public cloud depend on multi-factors. Application criticality, capabilities requirement, and value realization. For example, HR and email applications are critical applications that requires daily business operation maintenance, but with no business value differentiation if they are being strengthened. Such application can be moved as a SaaS in the public cloud. Applications that are described with high business value realization, that requires scalability, agility, and which are open for business innovation can be migrated to public cloud infrastructure as a service, but after TCO validation. Shortly, we will shed the light on the 5 major migration strategies to the public cloud.
This strategy involves moving your existing applications and infrastructure from on-premises to the cloud without making significant changes to the application architecture. It is an easier to perform as a migration strategy, and requires few preparations such as setting up virtual machines with the same operating system, middleware, and application components. Also, it requires configuring load balancers, firewalls, and other networking components to maintain the same network architecture as in the on-premises environment. Replatforming involves moving an application to a new runtime platform within the cloud environment. It may involve upgrading to a newer version of the operating system, new application server, or by moving from bring-your-own license database to DB as a service, but without significant changes to the application's core architecture. Rearchitecture. This approach involves existing application architecture modification or modernization. Application components may be restructured or rewritten to take advantage of cloud-native services, making the application more scalable and resilient. Containerization is a common rearchitecture form, where the application is rebuilt from virtual machines to Kubernetes pods. Rebuild. In this approach, the application is entirely rebuilt from scratch using cloud-native technologies and services. It allows organizations to take full advantage of cloud benefits, but it typically requires a higher level of effort and investment. Replace. This approach involves replacing an existing application with a third-party software as a service, SaaS, solution that meets the same business needs. It's often a quick way to migrate, as you're essentially adopting a pre-built cloud-based solution.